गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जीपैट रिवीजन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो पार्ट 2 है और बायोफार्मास्यूटिक्स से है। तो प्लीज़ इसे कंटिन्यू देखें और जो आपको बेनिफिट होगा वो जीपैट और ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर दोनों में ही बेनिफिट होगा। तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करना प्लीज़ ना भूलें। ओके, चलिए देखते हैं। विच ऑफ 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? A. T half increase or decrease in the first order kinetic due to increase or decreased dose. B. Increased dose decrease CL. T half increase zero order kinetics. C. In 4 to 5 half life nearly completed drug elimination occurs. T. Both A and C. Which one answer? The answer is C. In 4 to 5 half life nearly complete drug elimination occurs. Okay, next 22 question number. How much solvent is required to dissolve a sparingly soluble salt? A. 10 to 30 part. B. 1 to 10 part. C. 100 to 150 part. D. 100 to 1000 part. Which one answer? The answer is D. 100 to 1000 part. Okay, next 23 question number. Sigma minus method is used to determine the blank. A. Rate of absorption. B. Rate of elimination. C. Rate of exertion. D. Rate of metabolism. Which one answer? The answer is B. Rate of elimination. Okay, next 24 question number. According to the pH partition theory, weakly acidic drug will be absorbed more likely from the stomach because the drug exists primarily in the A form of weak acid and more soluble in acid medium, B ionized more water soluble form, C ionic form which facilitates diffusion, या D unionized more lipid soluble form. Which one answer? The answer is C ionic form which facilitates diffusion. Okay, next 25 question number. When the release of drug from a dosage form satisfies Hikuchi equation, the release of drug can be considered as A. Absorption rate controlled, B. Diffusion rate controlled, C. Dissolution rate controlled, D. Dosing rate controlled. Which one answer? The answer is B. Diffusion rate controlled. Okay. Next 26 question number. In biotransformation phase 1, reaction is also known as, कौन सा रिएक्शन है? ए कंजुगेशन रिएक्शन, बी सिंथेटिक रिएक्शन, या सी फंक्शनलाइजेशन रिएक्शन, या डी नन ऑफ एबव, या कोई भी नहीं. विच वन आंसर? द आंसर इज सी फंक्शनलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. फंक्शनलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट 27 क्वेश्चन नंबर. According to the pH partition hypothesis, the absorption of drug is maximum when A. Drug is ionized in biological fluid, B. Drug is unionized in biological fluid, या C both यानी कि A and B, या D cannot say, ये कहा नहीं जा सकता. Which one answer? The answer is B. Drug is unionized in biological fluid. Okay, next 28 question number. What effect does plasma protein binding have on biotransformation? A. Change the mechanism. B. Increase the formation of metabolites. C. Slow the process. Yeah, D. Has no effect. Which one answer? The answer is C. Slow the process. Okay, next 29 question number. Apparent volume of distribution increase when A. More tissue binding of drug, B. More protein binding of drug, C. Both, D. None. Which one answer? The answer is A. More tissue binding of drug. Okay. Next, 30 number question. Joulemeter is given IV to patient in dose of 1.2 mg per gram AUC equal to 450 microgram. However, some same drug was given or as oral SR tablet in dose 8.0 mg per kg AUC equal to 1040 microgram. Point, however, what is the absolute bioavailability of SR tablet? A 30%, B 35%, yes, C 38%, yes, D 42%. Which one answer? The answer is B 35%. Okay. Next, 31 question number. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement इसमें correct है? A. Mainly acidic drug binds to albumin. B. Mainly basic drug binds to albumin. Yes, C. Acidic drug binds only to alpha acid glycoprotein. Yeah, D. None of the above. Which one answer? The answer is A. Mainly acidic drug binds to albumin. Okay. Next, 32 question number. Calculate the dialysis clearance if the blood flow rate to the dialysis is 50 ml per minute and concentration of the drug entering and leaving the dialyzer is 120 microgram per ml respectively. A 20 ml per minute, या B 40 ml per minute, या C 35 ml per minute, या D 50 ml per minute. Which one answer? The answer is B 40 ml per minute. Okay. Next, 33 question number. The reaction rate constant K is 2.0 into 10 k power minus 3 minute minus power minus 1 for aspirin hydrolysis in 0.1 normal hydrochloride acid at 1 mg per ml concentrations. Under same condition, if the product contain aspirin 4 mg per ml of the initial concentrations, the K value in minute power minus 1 will be A 0.5 into 10 k power minus 3, B 2.0 into 10 k power minus 3, C 4.0 into 10 k power minus 3, D 8.0 into 10 k power minus 3. Which one answer? The answer is D 8.0 into 10 k power minus 3. Okay. Next, 34 number question. The half-life of a first order reaction is 4 years. What is its shelf life in a year? A 0.02, B 0.03, C 0.17, D 0.61. Which one? The answer is D 0.61. Okay. Next, 35 question number. Generally passes of a drug molecules across a cell membrane from high concentration to a region of low concentration is known as A. Carrier mediated, B. Dissolution, C. Passive diffusion, D. Pinocytosis. Which one answer? The answer is C. Passive diffusion. Passive diffusion क्या होता है? Passive diffusion is a process by which molecule diffuse from a region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration. It is the most important mechanism for the passage of drug through membrane, that is called passive diffusion. Okay. Next, 36 question number. The loading dose DL of a drug is usually based on the A total body clearance यानी कि CL of the drug, B percentage of drug bound plasma protein, yes, C apparent volume of distribution VD and desired drug concentrations in plasma, yeah, D area under the plasma drug concentration versus time curve AUC. Okay, the answer is C apparent volume of distribution VD and desired drug concentration in plasma. Okay, next 37 question number. Flowing is not true for a pK of drug. A pH at which half of the molecule of solute in solution are ionized. B it is determined using Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. C it affects the solubility of a drug at a given pH. At D at pH above this the solute exists in ionized form. Which one answer? The answer is D at pH above. This is the solid exists in the ionized form. Okay. Next 38 question number. Flowing is true for KW in Bernoulli equations. A partition coefficient of drug is between the lipoidal membrane and aqueous GI fluid. B higher the value of Kw per over faster the dissolutions. C it is the an intrinsic dissolution rate constant. या D both B and C यानी कि ये या ये. Which one answer? The answer is D B and C. Okay. Next 39 question number. Capacity limited process is the best described by A Michaelis-Menten equation, या B Linear-Weaver-Burke equation, या C Hannes यानी कि वुल्फ प्लॉट, या D all, या सभी. Which one answer? Which one answer? The answer is D यानी कि A B C सभी आंसर है. ओके. नेक्स्ट 40 नंबर क्वेश्चन. In Michaelis-Menten equation, when Km equal to C, A the rate of process is equal to half of maximum rate. B equation becomes identical to first order elimination of drug. C indicates zero order process. D the rate process occurs at a constant rate. Which one answer? The answer is A the rate of process is equal to half of the maximum rate. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल प्लीज़. इसे कंटिन्यू देखिए, पार्ट वाइज है. तो नेक्स्ट पार्ट में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय. प्लीज़ इसे शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट प्लीज़ करें. चलिए कल मिलते हैं.